Hello, I am Dr.Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we will try to understand yet another interesting theory of personality which is developed by Karen Horney. Okay, actually she was a psychiatrist who really focused on especially the female psychology or the female mind. Her contributions really they have thrown a lot of light on psychology, especially female psychology. Okay, and what she has proposed is, like, see, anxiety and depression, they are more related to the strained interpersonal relationships. Okay, something goes wrong between two people, okay, between a child and the parents, or the, and she has also prominently mentioned that these differences, they occur or they are framed in the mind during the childhood days only. Okay, but as in when a person grows, grows older, okay, a strain, a kind of discomfort in the interpersonal relationships, that is the reason behind the anxiety, depression and strained mindset of individuals. Okay, and the reasons behind that strained interpersonal relationships are maybe like the domination that they have suffered, that a person might have suffered during the early years of life, where a child's individuality or a child's self-respect has been strained. It's not given proper importance, or when a child lacks guidance, proper guidance, when a person faces discrimination, when a person is isolated, when a person is brought up in a hostile environment, in an unhealthy environment, when he faces discrimination, he or she, okay, I have to say she, because this lady, she mainly her focus is on female psychology. So we have to consider a female mind here. Okay, so when a lady as a child, when she goes through all these characteristics like overprotection or isolation, discrimination, right, when a person goes through such kind of negative emotions and disturbed interpersonal relations, that leads to anxiety and depression. Okay, and that anxiety, like whatever a person faces, that gives rise to three different behaviors and three different needs in an individual. Okay, so if you understand, just this anxiety is caused by poor interpersonal relationships, okay, which as a child, a lady might have gone through such strained relationships and strained kind of atmosphere when she is brought up. Okay, and that anxiety leads to three different behaviors, like we as individuals, we display or we behave in we might behave in three different ways. Okay, that is, that anxiety can make a person move towards people or move away from people or move against people. So this anxiety, which is the result of all these negative emotions that she has experienced through her life, those especially during the childhood. Okay, so that negative emotions and strained interpersonal relationships, that causes anxiety, which will make her either move towards the people or away from the people or even against the people. Okay, see, when a person moves towards people in the sense, like that lady might be craving for affection or affiliation or confirmation, affirmation, and that love and affection from others. Okay, because she wants to overcome this anxiety. She wants to overcome her, her insecurities. So she wants that affiliation with people. She wants that support from people. So she behaves accordingly. She always, seeks that approval from others. Okay, seeks that, validation from others. And her behavior, her personality will be, framed that way. She behaves that way, which gives her that social approval and social affiliation, that love and affection from others, so that she can overcome her anxiety and depression. Okay, so that is one way of behavior. Okay, and the other behavior which might be observed is moving away from others, being more withdrawn, being more, indifferent, not bothering about people. She may become, very much, isolated or withdrawn from others. She is moving away from people. She is not trying to mingle with people. Okay, she is becoming more indifferent. She doesn't mind, she doesn't bother, she doesn't think about being social, being, extrovert, being expressive. No, she is not doing all those things, because her anxiety makes her move away from people, and she becomes more withdrawn and more isolated in her personality, and that becomes her personality. Okay, that anxiety has made her, more withdrawn kind of a person, who is away from, who is moving away from people. Okay, so that is one thing. And some persons, they may move against people. That means they may really turn out to be anti-social. Okay, violent. They are literally against people. This anxiety that causes them, that makes them build up all those negative emotions so strongly within them, that they move against people. They do not like people. They become antisocial. They become, like sociopaths. Okay, who are dangerous to others and maybe to themselves also. Okay, so that these are the different behaviors or different personalities that may develop in a lady, especially because she is more focused on female psychology, and we cannot even restrict this understanding to female gender only. The same kind of behavior may be exhibited or may be observed in males also. Okay, but anyway, this anxiety leads to these different kinds of behaviors, right? And these are the negative emotions or the strained interpersonal relationships that is behind that anxiety. Okay, that is how Karen Horney, she has proposed this personality theory. I hope you find this interesting, and you can like, by understanding these personality theories, we can really apply them to ourselves and to others also. We can really understand people's behavior, the reasons behind the behavior. Okay, so I think this should help you. Okay, thank you.